What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you 5 sites that pay you for typing online from home in 2019. And I'm also going to show you one simple trick to type more and faster. So all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis. And hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, typing online could probably be one of the most popular jobs to get started with working from home. Now, as I said, I'm going to walk you through 5 sites that you can sign up for to get started with, and also one simple trick on how to actually type more and much faster. Keep in mind, you won't get rich with this kind of opportunities. While they are perfect to get started with, you definitely won't get rich. So if you're interested in working on a real online business, working from home, and get some serious money online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below, but we'll save that for the end of this video. For now, let's get started with typing online and make some extra money here. Let's get started. Okay, so the first site that we want to have a look at today is onespace.com. This is how it looks when we arrive here, and by having a first quick look here, OneSpace elevates your product search rankings and maximizes conversion rates across top e-commerce retailers in a single platform. You're probably wondering what does this has to do with me, so bear with me. What we're going to do is actually go to the bottom here, and we want to actually go to freelance resources. Now here is what interests us, because first we can actually sign up for as a transcriptionist. They are looking for English and international language transcriptionists. This work focuses in listening to audio files and converting the spoken words into written form. The audio files typically range from less than 30 seconds to 10 minutes in length. Opportunities for this position are open to those who are fluent in one of these languages or more. So don't limit to only these languages that I mentioned here. Basically, this is the first one that we can apply for as a transcriptionist. And you can also apply for small business and accounting writers. So the summary here is we are looking for content writers experienced in creating English content that caters to an audience from one of the specified countries and relevant to small business and accounting topics for enterprise brands. The ideal candidate should be able to provide samples of published content for reference. Accounting knowledge needed to be for at least one of the followings. So they mentioned a lot of countries here. What they need, you can have a look at this actually at your own pace here. Get paid quickly with daily payments, which is very good for your approved work. The variety, the flexibility, which definitely is something that interests us, to be able to work as much as we want. And the experience, of course, that you're gaining by signing up here. So you can have a look at it at your own pace, as I mentioned here. Onespace.com, and you go to the freelance sections. The next site that you can sign up for is speakwrite.com. This is how it looks when you arrive to speakwrite.com. The same goes here. What interests us is actually have a quick look at the site. We want to go to the typist jobs here. So if I click that, you can see here SpeakWrite is an online transcription company that serves over 65,000 legal, government, law enforcement and other private sector clients. SpeakWrite independent typist contractors enjoy the flexibility of working from home, setting their own hours, balancing work and family demands, and make great too. So you can see here why SpeakWrite: earn competitive rates, work from home, set your own hours, work independently, eliminate traditional jobs, and you can see here are some examples on what you can earn. Anything from 300 plus to 3,000 plus for top monthly earners. Here are some requirements. So basically you can just go to an online site like typingtest.com and do a test and see how fast you can type here. But as I said, I'm also going to show you another solution here very soon, how you can actually have much more typed there. So speakwrite.com, definitely also a site to sign up for. Here are the requirements, so you can see here it might not be for everyone. You must be a legal resident of the US or Canada to apply, so it definitely limits us. It is not worldwide. But there is other sites actually to solution to that, and I'm going to continue here so you will see. Don't limit yourself that you can only transcribe here. There are so many sites actually. Okay, so this is the next site that we want to have a look at, which is transcribeme.com. We want to go to join as transcriptionist here. So you can see top rated best work from home site. We offer the opportunity to be a part of our community, recommended by a lot of other companies here. Here are the FAQs if we want to have a look at that. Monetize your downtime. You can see here they start at paying you $15 to $22 per audio hour and top monthly earnings at $2,200, which is very, very nice. This is actually one of the most popular sites that you can sign up for transcribing. While there are more, I'm not going to walk you through, but definitely a site to sign up for typing online to get started with. The next site that we want to have a look at today is thesunmagazine.org. This is how it looks when you arrive here. We want to go to the submit section actually, and the next time you have work that's ready to submit, why not send it to us? So The Sun is a reader-supported ad-free magazine. We've been described in many ways: celebratory, fierce, unflinching, thoughtful, truthful, dark, darkly funny, tender. Contributors tells us after their work reaches more than 70,000 engaged Sun readers. To save your time and hours, we suggest you take a look at The Sun before submitting. So if we have a look at the writing here, you can see for non-fiction they pay you anything from $300 to $2,000. Okay, for fiction $300 to $2,000, and for poetry $100 to $250. So definitely also something to sign up for. Okay, so the final site that we want to have a look at is Textbroker. Textbroker.com, and we want to have a look at I write content, how Textbroker works here. Can have a quick look at it here. You register for free, you submit a writing sample. Based on your sample, we will review your content quality. This is what interests us. We can have a look here. Basically, the better you are, the more you will earn, of course, as a writer here. And you do need to get started to write, of course, to get up to as much as possible here. But from what I saw here, this is the payment conditions. You can see here, this is how much they pay you actually. So you can have a quick look here. Let's say that you are a 5-star, you get the 5-star, okay, and you want to write 1,000 words. You get paid $50 for that. So let me see here. If I go to 4 stars, you get paid $14, which is still not bad. But let's say that you are a top writer. You can definitely crank out one of these per hour easily. And as I said, I'm going to show you actually how you can type more and faster. So basically what you want to do is you're going to go to the Google Docs. You're going to open Google Docs here, and there is voice typing here on the under the tool section. So if you have a look at this, when I start this, I start to talk, and it writes down. So this is a perfect opportunity to actually type much faster and a lot more. Period, new paragraph. Definitely perfect work from home opportunity to get started with, to make some extra money while we build our real online business. Period. New paragraph. You can actually get paid for description, transcription, and you can sign up for a lot of sites. Period. New paragraph. Okay, I'm going to stop there. So I just came up with something, and I talked, and you could see actually how fast you could have everything typed there. So this is a perfect solution. You definitely don't need to be creative and start writing, and it didn't work. You just talk out loud, and you can go afterwards and correct here anything. So definitely a good tip. One simple trick, as I said, to actually type much more and faster. So there you have it, 5 sites that pay you for typing online from home in 2019, and also one simple trick to have a lot typed there. Keep in mind, as I said, you won't get rich with this kind of opportunities. If you're interested in building a real online business and making some serious money online, you want to check out the link in my description here below. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, I really do appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to both my channels that you see here at the end screen. Don't leave yet. You find 2 channels, they are both related to make money online and work from home opportunities. So make sure to subscribe to both these channels. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload new videos. And you also find another cool video recommendation about how to make money online. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.